I am obsessed with self-awareness tools, with finding ways to get to know why I behave the way I do, why I feel good or why I feel crappy, why I move toward relationships and away from relationships. And one of my favorite tools to do is the Wheel of Life exercise I learned back in my core training days. I'm going to host a quick workshop, and I'd hope you join me for 25 minutes on your Wheel of Life. Figure out where you're in balance, where you're out of balance, and how you can create just small shifts in your life to feel good about all the areas of your life, not just maybe one of them or three of them. My husband has always said, being one-dimensional is not sexy, which freaked me out, but also I knew to be so true. So anyway, DM me your email address. Let me know you want to join me for the live workshop. I will find a way to record this and post it to my page, but I'd love to have as many of you live because it's so much more fun to teach. Again, the Wheel of Life exercise is powerful in helping you get awareness and clarity around where your life is now and where you want to go. And if you're confused, like I've been so many times, I feel drifting, lost, and sometimes helpless. So let's take the time to get clarity and focus and be on fire in 2021.